One of the big questions that I'm asked is, should I do the content myself or should I hire someone to do it for me? Now, great question, because as business owners, I get it, we're busy, but as the thought leader in the business, it's also important that you share those insights because you're the face of the business too. So, do you hire people? Yes, you do hire people to help, 100%. However, you don't abdicate responsibility. The best combination, in my experience, is to have ownership of the content, but have a team to help and support. Right, so virtual assistants, editors, video editors, all of that stuff. Get them on board, but don't abdicate responsibility. Certainly not if you're in professional services and people are doing business with you. All right, so if you're a big organization or a brand, yes, there's, of course, that's a completely different story. But if you're a B2B professional services like advisor, consultant, coach, it should be you as the face of the business sharing the insights. So you own it and have helpers to assist do the bits that aren't as important to you. Hope that helps.